welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some Dollar Tree DIYs that I have made. This video was supposed to be out weeks ago and it's not, so now is the time to get it out, I suppose. But it's like the end of the day. I'm doing an intro, so I have an intro. Like, my face looks just peaked and white. I need to do some nice self-tanning and some like nice self-care because at this point I am like getting exhausted and I really want a video out for you Monday, which will be like today when you watch it. So happy Monday, everybody. Regardless, everything is from the Dollar Tree, so that's always really exciting, and hopefully you can pick up all of these items still. I finally found something to do with the little wood stems. That is over exciting. I love this little fun piece. The other thing is, I will just tell you what I make because you've probably seen it in like the clips before. I made this ladder. So I got this idea from Caitlin from Crafts by Caitlin. She made like a really fun like ladder picture frame. I will leave that link in the description box if you want to check it out. It's really adorable. But I wanted to make like a little tea towel ladder, and then we went on vacation and I deleted all of my footage on how to make this. It's so easy. I kind of ripped apart something that I already made, so I didn't have like the beginning steps anyways. So I used these little things right here from a like tray I made. I ended up tearing the tray apart, repainting, sanding, all that kind of stuff. I had all this footage and now it's gone. So hopefully I can explain it as best as I can and show you footage from like an older video on how I did all of that. So anyways, let's begin. I'm gonna show you all of that. So the first thing you'll need is these wood stems, and this Gratitude is the best attitude type little shadow box. You can obviously find a bunch of these and a bunch of different types from the Dollar Tree, but I'm just using this one, and then I'm just taking the wood stems and then hot gluing them all around to make this cute little candle holder. I love this, and for some reason I found all of these wood stems that fit perfectly. I didn't have to cut anything. I did in the end just add a couple along the corners so it filled in the corners, but this was so simple and it only took a few minutes. And then now I'm just taking a hurricane vase and some twine. I like buying my twine at Walmart. You get more, and I just really like this one a little bit better. It's a little bit thicker as well. And I'm just going to wrap it around the bottom of the vase, and there's no rhyme or reason to this. I don't have to make it perfect. I like how it looks this way, and it's a little bit thicker. And then I just took some hot glue on the end just to attach it. And then I'm just taking some leftover wood stems and just throwing them into the hurricane vase. You can definitely add like a candle or something. I did have a candle from the Dollar Tree and I just really did not like the way it looked, so I did take it out. I might actually add like some sand in here possibly. I think that might be really cute with the candle. I just really did not like the fake candles. I thought it just looked too unrealistic and not very pretty. And then I just got these little eucalyptus stems. I got these from Walmart for 97 cents. I thought everything was from the Dollar Tree. I totally lied there. But these are, you're able to find these everywhere. I've been finding them all over the place, but 97 cents at Walmart. And then I just grabbed these little flowers. I've had these forever. I feel like they always have them at the Dollar Tree. And I just cut some little ones off and just placed them just to give it, I'd like to say color, but I suppose white isn't really like a nice, beautiful color, but I thought it looked a lot better and kind of just broke up the greenery just a little bit. And then this is what it looks like when it's all done. I absolutely love this, and I guess if you wanted to add twine to the whole hurricane vase, you could definitely do that too. I really like this. It's really simple and really easy, and I love this one. It's one of my favorites. So you will need 3, you're actually going to need 4 of these little welcome signs, some Waverly chalk paint, and you're going to cut 2 of them right in half so you can make the ladder. This is when I was making the centerpiece, but it's the same exact way I did that. I will leave that link in the description box if you want to check out that video. But this is what it looks like when it's all put together. It's 16 inches high because I didn't cut the side pieces, and it's just under 8 inches in between. Like I said, I cut them in the exact center, and I just used some hot glue and E6000 and painted it with the Waverly chalk paint, and I absolutely love how this turned out. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.